Hey, good afternoon. This is Brian Schumann coming to you from Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV. Only in this case, we're at Arrowhead Stadium, right there behind us. And for those of you that don't know, Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV sponsors RV Row for the Chiefs. We're the official sponsors of RV Row. We are the official sponsors for coaches and RVs for the Arrowhead and for the Chiefs. And here we have it. It happened to have our custom-made Yoder smoker that was made for us, that we bring to every Chiefs game, as well as you can see our custom wrapped trailer, which contains this beast and all our fixings for tailgating here. And you can see how we have it all set up. And you can see where fans are just coming in now. The gates opened up about an hour ago. So again, this game is against the Titans, and fans are just coming in. And if you see all these RVs lined up like this, again, this is where people, with us being a sponsor, can call into Transwest, and we sell the parking passes for these. So many times if you buy a coach from us, or if you contact Katie and marketing, again, you can get yourself a slot here in RV Row. So wanted to come to you from a different angle today, as well as show you this next coach we're going to talk about, which is a 2014 Dutch Star 3736. So this is a 2014 Newmar Dutch Star 3736. 3 slides, 2 slides on this side and a full wall slide on the driver's side. Come on in. This is a really unique coach for several reasons. 1, it's only 37 feet long. 2, it's a Dutch Star. 3, by being a 2014, you'd think it'd be in rough shape or it might be well used. Well, if you look at this, the gentleman that owned this took great care of it. He waxed it 3 times a year, and he redid all the upholstery in this coach. So these are brand new covers on these seats. It looks brand new, matches the wood perfectly. And again, so it's really well maintained. It's on a Freightliner chassis, and this is a 450 horse. So again, it's similar to the same horsepower you'd have like in a brand new Newmar. That's the shortest luxury coach in the market. So here you have a Dutch Star, 37 foot, with a 450 on a Freightliner, and it's got a bath and a half, and I'll show you that also. So here we are set up in RV Row. Yes, we've got carpet down here just so again, all the guests that come in and view our coaches can, keep the dirt from, tracking into the coach. But you have opposing sofas. So you got plenty of sleeping ability. You have really, really well done seats for your tables and chairs. Of course, this pulls out a nice counter space. So if you were doing a tailgate and you're having a buffet spread up here, you've got plenty of space for it. You have a gas range on this coach, a 3-burner, plenty of kitchen space and storage space all the way around, carpeted inside. Another tray, functional sink with, again, 2 sinks, nice one for wash, another one for rinse. And again, comfort air in your Newmar coach, of course. The air conditioning works right down the middle of the coach. You have your Norcold fridge, which again will work off your propane and your electric. And you have a very nice size pantry that again you can move to different heights for accommodating like cereal boxes or grain or other spices you need. And again, I said it was a bath and a half, so here's your half bath. And again, they do the Newmar pin doors, so when these coaches have the slides in, you can still grab something out of the refrigerator and you can still get into your bathroom mid-coach. And I can't emphasize enough how neat this is on a short coach like this. So as you come into the master bedroom, it is a queen bed, well adorned, nice headboard, nice bedspread, TV, 2 shirt wardrobes on both sides, plenty of deep dressers, lights and windows makes it very, very easy. And coming into here, you have plumbing for washer and dryer. This coach doesn't have a washer and dryer, but it's plumbed for it. with adjustable shelves. We have a radius shower. And again, another ample storage area for linens and pillowcases and towels and everything else you need. So this is a 3736 2014 Dutch Star. Here we are at Chiefs Game Tailgating RV Row. Give us a call again. I'm Brian Schumann. Give me a call, 816-892-5945. And we're already showing the coaches some people that are coming in. So this is the purpose of this. We're set up for this purpose to invite guests to come in here, participate in seeing the coach, as well as taking some of the barbecue that we provide for them. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be talking to you soon, and safe travels.